Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Majestic Louie. If you're new here, Hajime Mashte. And if you're coming back, mucho Gustavo Te. See what happens when you subscribe. I learned some Spanish. So press that subscribe button for me to learn some Spanish. That's the intro I came up with. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. So today I'm going to have a very special guest on my channel, and it is none other than my dog. Everyone loves him. I love him. I hope you'll love him. So today, this is nothing new. I'm gonna have my dog pick my makeup, and this probably isn't the best video for me to record right now because my makeup supply is kind of limited. Like, I only have one foundation, so he won't be able to pick that for me. I only have like a couple palettes, so he won't, like, he'll get to choose, but there's just not a lot of options. So I hope you guys all enjoy. I'm going to get out the options of what I think he should pick, and then I'll bring you upstairs and we can see what he picks. So these are the options for lips that he can use. I got this Avengers liquid lipstick, a pink lipstick, and to kind of mix it up, this bronze shimmer lipstick. So next I only have two primers, the Toilet Base Tape and the Unicorn Glow primer that he can pick from. And next, these are the three blush choices. I know this one's broke, but I still really like it. So these are the three highlighters that he can pick from. This one is definitely my favorite. These two both kind of show it powdery. So next, these are the eyeliners that he can pick from. I got this purple sparkly one, this hot pink one, and then this just felt tip black one. These are the mascaras he can pick from. I have a black one, a purple one, and a blue one. These are three glitter eyeshadows that he can pick from. I have this liquid blue one, this pretty gold one, and this kind of dark gray one. My James Charles palette is definitely an option. And I have this Disney Midnight Masquerade palette from ColourPop. And I have this palette called Prism Eyes. It's like, it has no pigment and just color payoff is not there, so I really hope that he doesn't pick this one. So that's my dog. His name is Ranger. He's kind of dumb. And that's it. So I enlisted the help of my sister, and I'm gonna put down a primer there, and a primer over here, and I'm gonna get back, and we're gonna let him go and see if he notices them. Oh no, but he's sniffing that one.
What does that mean?
I think we go with... He totally sniffed that one. He went towards that one first though, oh my gosh.
Go on.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go with the Toilet Base Tape because he went there first. So next I'm setting down my three blushes. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, ready? Okay, let him go. Oh my gosh, get down. He's the biggest simp. Oh, we're gonna have to get... I think we should get treats and put them in front, and then just whichever one he eats first. Food motivated and is going crazy now that we have this food in place. So, go ahead and let him go.
Go.
Oh my gosh, go!
Go.
He's eating all of them. He picked this one first. So I'll use that one. My highlighter. My favorite one out of these three is that one. So I hope he picks that one. Now I just gotta lay treats in front of him. Okay, the treats are in place. Oh no, he picked the one I didn't like. I'm at highlighter. So time to lay down the mascara. And put treats on them. Okay, the treats are in place. Time to see which mascara he picks. Straight for the blue. Okay, Rangy. Can you stand? And put treats on them. Okay, the treats are down. Time to see what eyeliner he picks. The black. Okay. He didn't even, no, wait, he didn't eat it. He ate the pink one first. Thanks. So I guess I'll use the pink one. So now it's time to lay down the shimmer eyeshadows. I hope he doesn't pick this one because this one is extremely dark. And I don't think that'll be very fun. Treats are in place, time to see what he does. Oh no. So I picked the dark gray. So I'll use that. I'm laying out all the options for my lips. I'm gonna put treats on them. Treats are there. Let's see which one he picks. No, okay, whatever. He picked the bronze shimmer lipstick. Here's. So, just gonna lay these out and put treats in front of each one of them. Whoa! Sorry, he's not supposed to be here. This one is Extreme Lake Sheep, so I hope he does not pick that one. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, he didn't, did he? Okay. I'll use this palette. The products that I have to use in my work. So that was Ranger. I hope you all enjoyed him. Let me know if you want to see him in more videos. So I'm just gonna quickly do my base off camera because like he didn't choose any of that. So I'll be right back. Before I do my base, I will put on the primer that he picked, which is the Tarte Base Tape. So that's what we'll be doing. Back, and next I'll be applying the blush that Ranger picked out for me. I actually really like this because as you can see it is like it has shimmer in it, so it kind of like doubles as a little bit of a highlighter too, but I did have him pick a highlighter for me, so I will be applying that next. So I have a little bit of a problem. Ranger picked the No Matte highlighter, and when I came down, I set down all the stuff that he picked out, and I put away everything that he didn't pick, and I cannot find this highlighter. I found the other ones that he didn't pick, but I have no idea where this highlighter is. So I guess just that means no highlight. Okay, I'm fine with that. So this eyeshadow look is really giving me a hard time because I have blue mascara, pink eyeliner, this gross dark gray eyeshadow, and then I have this like this. So I really have to brainstorm on how I think I can get a cohesive look from all of these products. So I kind of have an idea. So I'm just gonna go with it, and if I don't like it, I'll probably start over. But I have a little bit of mascara on, so I'm gonna take that off real quick, or else you wouldn't be able to see the blue mascara that I put on. I hate the way this looks, and I don't know what to do about it. I think I just have to start a clean palette and try to go a different way. So that's the look. I kind of did like a quad lino, starting with purple, then blue, then that dark gray, and then lastly the pink lino. And I really like how it turned out. I'm gonna try my best to recreate this on this side, and I'll come back when I'm done. So that's the eye look for today. It is a little bit darker than I would have liked, but I think it looks kind of nice. So next is lips, and as we all know, he picked this bronze shimmer lipstick, and I'm not sure how it's gonna look with this look, but here goes nothing. So is pretty dark, so try to brighten it up. I'm gonna take some gold eyeshadow and put it in the middle to highlight it. So that's the final look for today. Tell me what you think. For the Instagram pictures, I might change this lipstick just so it looks a little better. But this is how it looks. I'm happy with everything except the lipstick. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. If you like the challenges, if you want me, I have 3 dogs and Ranger is only one of them. So if you want me to do this look with some of my other dogs, let me know. And I could do it again in a couple months maybe when I get more products. So that'll be fun. And let me know what you guys think of my new intro. And I'd appreciate that a lot. So I think that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please follow me on Instagram. There'll be a link down below where I will be posting pictures of this look. And I think that's it for today. Bye bye.